pure and good sometimes. And
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I have a skincare review, guys, and this is from Hey Bud Skincare, and this is Australia's #1 skincare brand, and this is how the package came, you all. So this is how it came. And I'll go ahead and open it. And this is how it looks when you open it. And it has the Hey Bud Gets Hydrated Amp Gel Moisturizer. We all know how to use moisturizer, you all. And it says, Get Hydrated Amp Gel Moisturizer deeply hydrates and calms the skin. It has Clear as Clay Amp Clay Mask. This is the clay mask. So clay mask, and it draws out impurities, clears and brightens your skin. And it says why it's dope. The ultimate skin savior, fueled by the power of hemp seed oil, which can help relieve skin, draw out impurities, and give you a glow like no other, minus the greasy finish. And say more good stuff. We've jam-packed this jar with extra goodness to enhance the benefits of hemp seed oil, kaolin, avocado, and jolie. Will take your skin from blah to balding by hydrating, detoxifying, restoring, and balancing oil levels in problematic areas. So I'll go ahead and open this. Ooh. Damn, it smells good, you all.
For my skincare routine, I normally use the cleanser, then the mask, then a toner or serum or something like that.
And it has the Hey Bud Hits Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser and the Amp Gel Cleanser. It says how to massage 1.5 pumps gently into the face and rinse with water. So that's the Amp Bud, and it's made with green tea, salicylic acid, betaine, vegan, cruelty-free, and it is recycled plastic.
And next we have the serum or serum, however you want to pronounce it, you all. That is it.
This serum will help you get on your skin's good side again. It's packed with powerful hemp seed oil
that help calms and smooth
and protect the skin against environmental stressors. So smooth it over 10% niacinamide plus hemp serum
and improve skin texture.
And it also came with a little cute brush, makeup brush, and a cute little brushy. And this is a cute little makeup brush. It also came with some stickers.
The price of this Clear Skin All-Star bundles is $137.99 Australian dollars, you all.
I'll leave the link to all these goodies. I'll leave a link to all these goodies in the description down below, so you can go and check their website out, you all.
This is a perfect bundle, guys. It has everything for your skincare needs. Now I'm gonna give you a demo and just test the product, guys, and let you know what I think about them and how they feel on my skin and all that. First, I'll be using the cleanser, and I'll use just a little tab, you all, just a little. It says 1 or 2 pump. So I go in and just rub it to my face and see how good it works, you all. Now it's time to rinse my face, you all. Now I'm going in with a paper towel and just remove the water from my face before I go in and apply and adding the mask to my face. And I like to do it in a upward motion, guys. I never like to do nothing on my face in a downward motion.
Life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl in her eyes. Take me.
The instruction reads you should let the mask stay on for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove with water.
I'm ready to go in and just wash the mask off, and it does give you that, it gives you that soothing feeling, so it's just nice. And you can see my face is just so stiff.
I am using the towel to just pat dry the water from my face, and I'm still feeling the soothing effect from the mask, which is so good, you all. Now I'm going in with the serum and just rubbing it all over my face so it can take everything in, you all the goodness. Now it's time for the final step, the moisturizer, you all. You guys know how to use moisturizer, so I'll go in with just a little tap right there, 1 or 2 pump, and just put it all over my face. What I do like about this moisturizer, it didn't leave my face that shiny or oily. I do have oily skin, so I don't like to use a lot of moisturizer because my face is like oil all over, and this is so awesome that this didn't do all that. If you're looking for a full skincare routine, you all, this is the perfect set for you. I like the cleanser, the moisturizer, and the mask. I'm not really so into the serum, but this is the perfect set for you guys.
Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. I'm not leaving.